After completing your MBA and do you have any other plans also?
Yes, in future maybe I will do PhD.
Okay, so you want to continue your education further and further.
Yes, but now my short-term goal is to become a HR professional, so I will pursue this.
Okay, so what will be the salary? Approx what is the salary of HR?
Yes, my last salary was 34,000. So after getting degree, I will definitely get 40 plus in the upcoming jobs.
Oh, so it will be a private job?
Yes, of course. I like privatization, so I want to become a private sector employee, not government. What's your name?
My name is Shaista Siddiqui. And what's your name?
My name is Sujata Singh.
In which class do you read?
I have just given the examination of MBA 4th semester.
In which year of MBA you are?
My session is 21 to 23, but now it's 1 year late.
Okay. So from which university have you been completing your MBA?
I am studying from Magad University and my college is Sachinanand Sinha College.
Why have you not taken admission in another university except Magad University?
I have also given the entrance of Patna University and also I have got selected, but the reason is that time I am working as a HR and officer admin in Indian employee at Patna, so I have chosen Sachinanand Sinha College as a college.
Why are you pursuing your MBA?
I want to become a HR professional. My dream is to work in the Google, so I have taken MBA.
Okay. So why are you learning English?
I want to learn English because I want to increase my fluency in English.
Okay, so I have listened that you have rejoined this coaching.
Yes, I have read here in 2007 and 2017 and now in 2024.
So why are you rejoining this coaching again and again? Which feature of this coaching is attracting you again and again?
I think this is the best institute of Aurangabad that I found. So I come here again and again, and also I like the GD here. So I came here because the GD is the most important part for the fluency of English.
Okay, so you like the debate part here in spoken English.
Yes.
So can you give the students some tips that how can they improve their English?
Anything we read in the class, we have to practice in the home, and also we have to prepare for the debate topics, so that will be increase in the fluency of English. Also in the normal language in the home, you can try to speak in all words.
Yes, you are absolutely right. And as you are telling that you are working nowadays also.
No, I have left the job to complete my MBA, second year of MBA, so I have left there.
Oh, so after completing your job, your MBA, you will just get into job.
Yes, I am just waiting for the mark sheet. So after getting the mark sheet, I will go to I will try for the any MNC's company.
Okay. So you want to go in multinational companies?
Yes.
So don't you think that the reputation of Magad University is that much good that you can get into any MNCs?
The fact is that you will not get placement from the college or university.
Okay.
You have own knowledge or you have own talent, so that will go to your success.
Okay. So after completing your MBA and do you have any other plans also?
Yes, in future maybe I will do PhD.
Okay. So you want to continue your education further and further?
Yes, but now my short-term goal is to become a HR professional, so I will pursue this.
Okay. So what will be the salary? Approx what is the salary of HR?
Yes, my last salary was 34,000. So after getting degree, I will definitely get 40 plus in the upcoming jobs.
Oh, so it will be a private job?
Yes, of course. I like privatization, so I want to become a private sector employee, not government.
But how can you say that because if we all know that in Bihar especially the people run behind the government jobs, they just want to get their future settled in government jobs.
I will say that all person have their own choice. So my choice is on the privates because in the private sector we have lots of salary than the government. So I want to go the private.
I agree with this that in the private sector the salary is very good, but if you talk about the future security and safety, in private job we don't have it, but in government our future is just saved if we get job once.
But in the less salary, what is the most important thing for life? Money? Money matters.
But settlement is also very important, and the back term of safety is also very important.
First of all, how many students are preparing for the government jobs?
Yes, there
many of them. And what will be the success rate percentage? You will say many less. But in the private sector, that will be the more. If you have talent and also the knowledge, so you will go in the private sector.
So you like private sector more?
Yes, I like. So I have never tried for the government job.
Okay, so it's your opinion.
What's your session?
My session is 2021 to 2024.
So now government has made changes in the semester. Exam will be for semester wise, and also the graduation has become for the 4 years. So what's your thought about this?
I think it's good because after us, the pattern is totally changed from 2023, I think. So they have to give semester exams, and they have to also, the subjects are totally changed. The pattern is changed, the exam pattern is also changed. So I think it is very good because we have to move towards some changes in our education system.
So how many subjects will be in the 4 year of graduation?
Actually, I don't have so much knowledge because our pattern is not like that. But I have listened, there are many subjects they have to read, not like us.
So what are you thinking about this? What will be the thought of government for doing this?
I think the government want to improve the condition of students. They want that students complete their education with more knowledge. So they are giving there are many subjects, not only the subjects like honors and subsidiary. Except these, they have to read their many subjects, and there are many subjects also which are compulsory. That means you have to choose that subject.
What's your thought about this? The Magad University have done this, and many colleges and university has done a very long time ago. So it is too late for the university.
We all know that Magad University is too late in every matter. Not only the matter of session, in every aspect, Magad University is late. We should try to say our thing to our government that Magad University may get all the things on right time, because you also know that in previous years the session was too late. The students are completing their graduation not in 3 years but in 5 years, which was the major lack in their future. They are not getting any good jobs due to this also.
Why you have taken sociology as a honors? Because many students are not taking this, because in Bihar there are lots of students want to take honors paper in science.
Yes, people are taking science if they are interested in that. They can choose whatever they like. I like sociology, I like arts subject, humanities especially. So I have chosen this because in sociology we have to read what is happening in our society. We can be a good citizen of our country by knowing that what is happening, what is the importance of women empowerment, what is the rights of child, why child labor should be banned, and many things like that. So I think sociology is very important for every student to read, not only as a sociology subject student, but everyone should know this.
So by getting the knowledge of law about the poor, about the females, you will do something like the next necessary step for the humans or the poor?
Absolutely, I want to settle my future first of all, because I think until you are not succeed, you can't help other. Because for helping others, we have to first help ourselves. Because after reaching that stage in our life when we are stable financially and economically, then we can help other also. If I am not stable, I can't help anyone. So after getting in a good position from financial point of view, I think I must help the poor students who are not getting their education nicely, and also the women who are suffering for their rights and empowerment.
So what are the changes you want in the Bihar in the future?
First, the change should be in education system, because we all know that the education is the weapon which can change the future of a student. Not only the future of a student, but also the future of the whole country. So education should be the top most in Bihar also. Like in Delhi, you can see the education system is so good that the government schools are not less than private schools there. But you can see the condition of our Bihar. But I think it is getting better day by day. So I think education system should be done better. The students should focus also on their English, because you know that the Biharis are lacking in English somewhere. So I think they should improve their communication skill, because for getting job in any field, not only in private jobs but also in government jobs, we have to face interview, and for that our communication skill must be good and it must be enhanced. So I think we should focus on that.
What's your thought about Magad University syllabus is very ancient, or you can say old, but nowadays most of the university are their syllabus is advanced. That is the problem. When we go to the MNCs, we have lots of problem and we have to do additional skill. We have to learn additional skill. So we have to do online classes because college are not providing this. So
you're
what's your
absolutely right about that. That the system which are going in Magad University is just so old that it is not comparable to the new modern education system. So I think the education which has been the education system like that in graduation, the 4 years which has been changed. I think there is also the changes in pattern of education. So this is the good step, and the university should think that they should change in all aspects. Like you are doing MBA, they should also revise their syllabus. In every courses they have to revise their syllabus so that we can get our better education. Okay, thank you.